loves, in today's video I will be creating this colorful pastel eye look using the Colourpop Fade into Hue palette. I am also trying out the Beckisue Eyeshadow primers and the Teoyall 5-piece nail art brush set from Amazon. I purchased the Colourpop Fade into Hue eyeshadow palette on the Colourpop website for $34. Fade into Hue contains 30 colors consisting of mattes, shimmers, and glitters arranged in 7 monochromatic columns. I am highlighting my brow bone with the Amuse Smokey Eyes Single Shadow in Cream using my LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. I am placing Lovecraft on the inner third of my crease with the E.L.F. Eye Crease brush. I am placing Dyed Up in the center of my crease. And on the outer third of my crease, I am placing the shade Take It Easel. I am softening the transitions of my shadows so that they look more seamless using the Coastal Scents Classic Blender. I am using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush to highlight my brow bone with the LA Colors highlighter in Shine Bright. And to blend that highlighter into my crease shadows, I am using the Beauty Accents Blending Eyeshadow brush. I am placing Fantasyland on the inner third of my lid using the Coastal Scents Classic Small Shadow brush. I am applying the shade Hot to the center of my lid. Lastly, I'm applying Hot Copic to the outer third of my lid. I purchased these Beckisue eyeshadow primers on Amazon. The white primer is sold separately and was $8. Numbers 3, 4, and 5 came in a set for $13. I will be applying the Beckisue eyeshadow primer using one of the brushes from the Teoyall 5-piece nail art brush set that I purchased on Amazon for $6.50. This Beckisue eyeshadow primer has the perfect consistency, not too thick, not too thin. It was very easy to work with. It is also extremely pigmented. My shadows absorbed the first layer, so I had to reapply it, and it came out such a bright white. Very pretty. The Teoyall nail art liner brush also made applying this primer so easy because of how thin and precise the bristles are. Honestly, I should have been using a brush like this for my liner. It was so easy. I am using the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. This is the LA Colors 3D Faux Mink Lash in the style Andie. I am placing Big Smile on my lower lash line using the AOA E115. I am lining my waterline with the LA Girl Pastel Dream Eyeliner in Baby Pink. I am using the Coastal Scents Classic Pointed Detail Brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with Shine Bright. To complete this eye look, I decided to add some Swarovski AB crystals using my Kiss Lash Glue in Clear. Here's my completed makeup look. I really enjoyed using the Fade into Hue palette. I have wanted to create a pastel look for so long, and I'm really happy with how this one came out. In terms of texture, the shadows were buttery soft, really easy to blend, and the shimmers, while not as soft as the mattes, they went on just as good, and they look really nice when applied wet. I think it would be really fun for me to do a mini series here on the channel creating monochromatic looks using each column from the Fade into Hue palette. Let me know what you think about that idea in a comment down below. Check out the description for all of the products that I used to create this makeup look. Have you tried the Fade into Hue palette yourself? If so, what do you think about it? And until next time, bye loves!